Hello guys, welcome to the fifth part of our Android studio. Before this, we just implemented a new method, animation listener in our game, and implemented the boolean buttons that we worked on. And before this video, we also worked on the find viewer ID on pressing the button. Now moving on further in this video, we'll do further Java coding. For that, we'll move on to public how the animation start. For that, public void on animation start, and we'll set it in the bracket as animation, and we'll also put it as a name as animation enter, open brackets, enter. This dot boolean, which we gave the short form, boolean on button rotation, and we'll set it as false, inverted commas. Then under this, which we created before, that button b dot start, and which is will set its visibility at visible. For that, dot set visibility view dot visible. Now moving on further, this we created on the button start. Now we'll create on the button end. Okay, for that, public void on animation end, on animation end. We'll also get it into the brackets, animation, just wait a sec, animation, and we'll put it the name as animation, which we created before, open bracket, enter. We'll also add here a toast up. For that, toast we'll also give it as the name toast equals to toast dot make text in bracket this, comma, inverted commas, plus string. Wait a sec, we'll give you a space. For that, after when the toast will come up, there will be the space between the buttons, and then plus we'll add string, dot value, just wait a sec, value of, and to in it will create as integer, we'll add one more bracket, integer, inside this will create one more bracket, two more brackets, integer, double, and then outside this bracket we'll write this dot integer number, we'll cut out one of the brackets, then enter. We'll go to the match dot floor, where the second one, match dot floor. Then we'll open three brackets, 1 2 3. Yes. Inside these brackets we'll add double, which we created before. Double. Outside this bracket we'll implement here this dot long degrees, which we created before. Long degrees. Outside the bracket has slash, another open bracket, 360 dot 0 d. Then outside this bracket we'll again create this. No, after this we need to create the double. We are doubling the points. For that we'll create double again inside the bracket. Inside we'll create double. Double. Double, and outside the bracket of this double, this dot integer number. Integer number. After this the brackets will be closing, and outside the bracket we'll add on plus and inverted commas, which we created before, comma 0, and the last bracket which we closed down, inverted commas. Enter. Then we'll add up one more toast up over here. Then toast dot will set the gravity. Set gravity for the toast, and I am setting the gravity in the top when the game will show the toast up. For that 49. I am setting it on 49, 0, 0. Enter. Toast dot show. Toast dot show. From that which will show the toast up. Then again enter this dot boolean button rotation, this, and we'll set it as true, equals to, just wait a sec, equals to true, inverted commas again, enter. Then B, which we created the start button, set visibility, just wait a sec, start dot set visibility, view dot visible, view dot visible. So this will show the pop-up when the game will start. There will be the pop-up of each the points after the rotation of the roulette, each points of our roulette. After entering this, we'll close down here. Then again enter. We'll create an animation repeat. We want the same to be repeated on the restart button arrow which we created before it. For that, public void on animation repeat. On animation repeat. On animation repeat, open bracket, animation space animation, which we created before, open brackets, then again enter. We'll again create on it. Then we'll create on the button click rotation. For that, public void on on animation, on click button rotation. Just wait a sec, sorry for the mistake. On click button rotation it will come. On click button rotation, and we'll put it into the view which we created, view space V. Enter, open brackets, enter. We set a loop inside it. If, just wait a sec, yes, if inside this we'll set this, if this dot boolean button rotation, enter, another open bracket, enter, integer ran which we are creating it right now. Integer ran equals to new random open brackets dot next integer. We'll set it in this bracket as 360. It will so that it will rotate fully 360 plus 3600. Inverted commas first, enter, rotation animation, and again rotate animation. Rotate animation equals to new rotate animation. We'll open one more bracket in which we'll add a float. We have added float, and outside this bracket we'll print here this dot integer degree. LNG degree, sorry. LNG degrees, comma, again float. Open bracket, again float. Again float. Enter. Open brackets. This dot long degrees, LNG degrees which we created before, plus we'll open your two brackets, and this inside bracket will write as long, and the outside of this bracket will write the rand which we created, and outside these brackets will create the numbers 1, 0.5 f, comma 1, comma, then again 0.5 s. Then close the brackets and inverted comma. Enter. Then we'll again create a button. For this we'll create as this dot LNG degrees equals to open bracket, this dot lng degrees plus open two more brackets, inside bracket will write it as long, and then the outside will shift to the ran, and outside the bracket will write the percentage degree 360, so that our roulette will rotate fully 360 direction. After this, rotate animation dot set rotate duration, will set the duration of our rotation, open brackets, and we will write duration, after setting the duration, we'll write here the long, how much long the duration will take, and the outside bracket will set it on the ran which we created, the random buttons. Again enter. Now we'll fill after, set fill after if it is true or false. For that, rotate animation dot set fill after, this one, and we'll set it as true. Enter. Then again rotate animation dot set interpolator, this first one, interpolator, in the bracket will set it as new, declaration interceptor protector, brackets, and enter. Then again we'll set is the animation listener. For that, rotate animation dot set animation listener, this one, and we'll inside this we'll put as this. Then again enter. Then we'll do the work on our image roulette. For that, image roulette dot set animation, this last one, set animation, then rotate animation. Inside this we'll set it as rotate animation. Enter. Again image roulette dot set animation, start animation, this what is it, start animation. Again inside rotate animation. Enter. So guys, thank you for watching the 5th video. The next video, in this next video I am going to add the cases in our roulette game. So guys, keep watching our videos, and if you like the video, please click on the thumbs up. Thank you for watching the video.